Hey guys, it's Yanni here again. Today we got some different movie because we are going to install a carbon fiber. Okay, it's not a carbon fiber, but we are going to install this. This is a spoiler. The spoiler is from a well-known web shop called Temu. I ordered it from China. I was already apply some of this adhesive to some glue to glue it on it. The next step what you have to do, you have some kind of wipes to prepare the applying, but I got some homemade product. I was already wiped down all of the dirt, all of the oil, all of the fat have to be removed, and then you can get a nice surface to glue it on it. But in the next step I will use this product, and nice name. I will use this to remove more to clean the surface and ensure that it's tidy. Here, like I said, I will have to clean it, but for the first I will measure the size, and this I will doing with some measure stuff and something that is to clean from the car. One more time, the adhesive, the glue strips are applied, but they are not opened to fix them. Now I will place it just like this. I will measure the right distance from the sides. Hopefully you can see everything. This is about 12 and a half here, but I didn't measure nothing, I was just placing on it. This is 15, and it's supposed to come this way. Now let's measure it again. Now it's exactly 14 from the side. This side is not so. It's 14. It's a bit less than 14, then it's supposed to move a few millimeters this way. Yes, probably now it's something like we want. Okay, let's measure it again. It's exactly 14 here. Let's check it on this side. Yeah, it's exactly 14. Then I will make it. Yes, now we got the alignments. Now we have to just on one side, that we do on this side, begin to remove the edge. Let's see. Remove the cover of the glue. I will remove it like this. I almost forgot the step to clean the surface again with this one. Probably is really important. I'm doing it for sure. Take care to not break the product. it's really clean. And let's go and place it on it. Let's see how it's going. You have to take with your nail. Find the end and back into. Disconnect the red layer. Have some nails, but not so much to grab it. Yeah, I never give up. Yes, I got it on one side. Okay, let's do the same with the other rear. Let's get the end of it. Hey Marek.
Hey.
Yes, and now after getting this away, you have to pull it to two sides and you can begin to apply this.
Hey, weer.
I did it. Oops, I did it again. I did it. I did it. I can't believe, but I did it. I did it. I did it, but it's not perfectly. Did it. I did it. I did it. Did it. little bit. Isn't that perfect here on the middle? I don't know how to fix it. Maybe I have to make it one, but I will just pushing it. Dit is al nooit meer vanaf komen. Hier ook krijgt een duwtje. I think it's perfect. This looks like perfect. I hope we'll stay on it, but this looks like perfect. Hey buurman. Let me show you the result, guys. It looks like this. Actually, I think it's nearly perfect. Nearly perfect. Let me show the under. I'm not so satisfied, but it's to do. Looks perfect for me.